Good morning, children. 12th science. Today we will see about electrical resistance. Though we have read it about earlier also, the electrical resistance symbol is capital R. ठीक है, and unit is ohm. पहले भी हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. Unit is ohm, right? It is measured with the help of a Wheatstone bridge. The formula of R is given by R is proportional to L by A, where R is resistance, L is equal to length of the object, and A is the area of cross section. So proportional साइन है तो इसको इज इक्वल टू किया तो एक कांस्टेंट रखना पड़ेगा, प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट. दिस प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट स्मॉल p जैसा लिखा हुआ दिख रहा होगा तुमको. दैट इज नोन एज R इज इक्वल टू रो L बाई ए. ग्रीक में इसको रो बोलते हैं, राइट? So R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho is equal to constant of proportionality या proportionality constant. Rho is called resistivity. अगर सिंगल रो को बात करें तो उसको resistivity कहते हैं. Proportionality constant जो रो है that is known as resistivity. पहले इसको specific resistance कहते थे, but nowadays IUPAC has said that it is resistivity. SI unit of rho is ohm meter. ठीक है, याद रखना है. SI unit of rho is known as ohm meter. Then 1 ohm meter is equal to 100 ohm centimeter. No need to explain. So, and 1 ohm centimeter is equal to 0.01 ohm meter. This we will need for the calculations. The inverse of resistance, R का inverse होता है G, याद रखना. Inverse मतलब क्या? 1 upon. So the inverse of resistance R is called conductance, which is denoted by capital G. So G is equal to 1 upon R. और R की जो वैल्यू उसको उल्टा कर दो, A upon रो L. ओके, तो 1 upon रो को वो जो अपनी रेसिस्टिविटी थी 1 upon रो, उसके बदले एक नया लेटर आया that looks like small k, A upon L, where k is known as kappa in Greek. KAPPA. Understood? सेम वे 1 upon R कर दिया और उल्टा कर दिया, देन इट इज़ 1 upon रो. ओके, सो 1 upon रो इज नोन एज K and KA upon L, where the inverse of resistivity that is 1 upon रो is called conductivity. K क्या हो गया? कंडक्टिविटी हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि इनवर्स ऑफ रो है 1 upon रो इज इक्वल टू K. K is known as conductivity. Earlier it was known as specific conductance also, but now we will use only the term resistivity and conductivity, right? And it is denoted by small k, that is kappa. So rho and kappa याद रखना है अपने को, right? The term resistivity and लिखा भी है मैंने. The term resistivity and conductivity will be used as per IUPAC, correct? Then we will come for the SI unit of resistivity and SI unit of conductivity. So the SI unit of conductivity are Siemens meter inverse, but often K is expressed as Siemens CM inverse. SI unit तो Siemens meter inverse है, but अभी जो हम जितने क्वेश्चन करेंगे it is also expressed as Siemens centimeter inverse. The SI unit of G, that is conductance, is Siemens, symbol is S and is used equal to, दिख रहा है तुमको, ओम इनवर्स. ओम इनवर्स को मज़ेदार है ये, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज मोहो, OHM, ओम इनवर्स. Materials are classified as conductors, insulators and semiconductors. We know these things on the basis of their conductivity. अगर कंडक्टिविटी गुड है तो कंडक्टर्स, कंडक्टिविटी नहीं है तो इंसुलेटर, या पुअर है तो इंसुलेटर. और अगर कुछ एक एलिमेंट्स हैं जिनको जो सेमी कंडक्टर की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं आफ्टर सम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस. इट इज़ डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द बेसिस ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ देयर कंडक्टिविटी. कंडक्टर्स के एग्जाम्पल वी नो मेटल्स एंड देयर एलॉयज, दे हैव लार्ज कंडक्टिविटी. सर्टेन नॉन मेटल्स, ध्यान रखना बेटा, अब आप 12th में हो. सर्टेन नॉन मेटल्स लाइक कार्बन ब्लैक, ग्रेफाइट and some organic polymers are also electronically conducting. ठीक है. What are insulators? Examples are glass, ceramics, etc. Semiconductors we know silicon, first chapter में हमने पढ़ा doped silicon, NPN, PNP, gallium arsenide, they are semiconductors. Now one more term will come to us, that is known as superconductors. Superconductors have zero resistivity, कुछ resistivity ही नहीं है, or infinite conductivity. Earlier, metals and their alloys at very low temperature, that is 0 to 15 Kelvin, very low temperature, they were behaving like superconductors. But nowadays, it is seen that a number of ceramic materials and mixed oxides, they behave like superconductors, and they show this superconductivity at high temperature also, that is as high as 150 Kelvin. ये 1 मार्क MCQ में आ सकता है. MCQ लिख दो या MCQ. Electrical conductance through metals is called metallic or electronic conductance, and it is due to the movement of electrons. You know metals में free electrons होते हैं. This depends on, ये जो इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टेंस है किस किस चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करता है. 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन. Should I write here? 2 marks. We have to be prepared. We don't know what will come in board. This depends on the nature and structure of metal, the number of valence electron per atom, and the temperature. Actually, it decreases with increase in temperature. Low temperature पे ये अच्छा कंडक्टर शो करते हैं. Whereas the conductivity of ionic solution क्या होता है बेटा? The solution which is splitted into its ion is known as ionic solution. जब उसका solution बनाया और वो अपने ions में change हो गया, that is known as ionic solution or electrolytic solution. Depends upon the nature of electrolyte, size of ions produced and their solution, the nature of solvent and its viscosity, concentration of electrolytes, temperature. Here it is important to note down that it increases with increase in temperature. इसको भी ये 5 पॉइंट्स को भी 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन के लिए रख दो. ठीक. Then comes, you try to understand what we have written here. R is equal to rho L upon A. अभी हमने पढ़ा. Resistance is equal to rho L is area, L is length, A is area of cross section, and it is also given by L upon Ka. Why? Because rho is equal to 1 upon K. अभी पढ़ा है हमने. L upon A is known as cell constant. याद रखना बेटा, ये हमें न्यूमेरिकल में यूज़ होगा. L upon A is known as cell constant. Symbol is G और G के ऊपर ऐसा स्टार मार्क रहेगा, G स्टार. It is equal to L upon A. G is equal to L upon A, cell constant. ये न्यूमेरिकल में we will use this. Is equal to R into K. Correct? L upon A हो गया G स्टार, तो R into K क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. Therefore K is equal to G star upon R. This formula we will use for calculations. Then comes a new term that is known as molar conductivity. समझने की बात है, interesting है. It is defined as the conducting power of all the ions which are formed by dissolving a 1 mole. A mole मतलब 1 mole of electrolyte in the solution. So it is denoted by lambda m. This is read as lambda m, molar conductivity. It is equal to K upon C. K is expressed as Siemens meter inverse. And concentration तुमको पता ही है, मोल पर लीटर और मोल अपॉन मीटर क्यूब है ना. मोल पर लीटर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, पहले से हमने पढ़ा है. सो मोल अपॉन मीटर क्यूब. देयरफॉर द यूनिट ऑफ लैम्डा m इज इक्वल टू साइमेंस मीटर स्क्वायर मोल इनवर्स. तुम दोनों को डिवाइड करके देखो, ये आना चाहिए. Siemens meter square mole inverse. Then lambda m, that is Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. अगर सेंटीमीटर में कैलकुलेशन करना है तो it is given by K into 1000 upon C. याद रखना. In this formula also we will use in the numericals. K into 1000 upon C. Now I will show you one numerical that is already solved in the textbook, but only thing how to solve, how to go for a numerical problem. Let me show you. Example number 3.5 is the electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 mole liter inverse NaOH solution of D is equal to 1 cm, length is equal to 50 cm, is 5.5 into 10 raised to power 3 ohm. Calculate resistivity, conductivity and molar conductivity. बेटा कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी व्हाट डेटा इज गिवन टू अस. वी हैव टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. द इलेक्ट्रिकल रेसिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कॉलम ऑफ दिस मोल पर लीटर. यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. कितने बच्चे इसको आर लिख देते हैं. नो नो, दिस इज नॉट आर, दिस इज मोल पर लीटर, दिस इज कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? So concentration is given, that is mole per liter ही से समझ जाओ ना, this is concentration. So 0.05 mole per liter. R क्या दे रखा है? The resistance is 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3 ohm. So 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3 ohm. Diameter is equal to 1 centimeter is given, जो कॉलम है उसका. तो R कैलकुलेट कर लो, 1 divided by 2, 0.5 centimeter. L is equal to 50 centimeter is given. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी. तो अपने को सेंटीमीटर वाली यूनिट में कैलकुलेट करना है, रो कैलकुलेट करना है. क्यों? क्योंकि लिखा है रेसिस्टिविटी, कंडक्टिविटी एंड मोलर कंडक्टिविटी. सो वी विल राइट हियर हाउ टू कैलकुलेट. यू सी, वी विल राइट हियर आर इज इक्वल टू रो एल अपॉन ए. देयरफॉर रो इज इक्वल टू R into A upon L, correct? So what is our R given? 5.55 into 10 raised to power 3. What is our area of cross section? That we have to calculate it. We have not calculated. So A is equal to pi r square. When you will calculate by putting 3.14 into what is our R, अभी calculate किया 0.5 into 0.5 pi r square, it will give you the value 0.785 cm square. 0.785 cm square. हम अब सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आगे का डेटा भी सेंटीमीटर में है. Now this value we have to put for A. So 0.785 cm square we have written, divided by what is our L, length कितना दे रखा है देखो बेटा, 50 centimeter, right? 50 centimeter here. So what it will give us 87.135 point, when you will calculate 135 ohm cm. This we have calculated. After getting first answer, we will go for conductivity. This is resistivity. Now conductivity. Conductivity क्या होता है? 1 upon R. So conductivity is equal to 1 upon R. R you have calculated right now. So 1 upon 87.135. Calculate by yourself. जो आंसर आएगा वो यहाँ लिख देना. That is our conductivity. Then comes molar conductivity. So molar conductivity यानी क्या बताया अभी, lambda m is equal to सेंटीमीटर में क्या बताया था अभी, k into 1000 upon c. So k into 1000 upon c. इसको तो डिवाइड करना ही पड़ेगा मुझे. 0.01148 0.01148. okay, Siemens CM inverse. So when we have divided this 1 upon this has come. So k we got, we will write here k is equal to, k की वैल्यू क्या रखी हमने, 0.01148 into 1000 upon what is our concentration given. बेटा देखो ध्यान से, ऊपर बुक में क्या लिखा था, 0.05 mole per liter. So it will give us the answer, that is 229.6 The answer is 229.6 Siemens cm square mole inverse. This will be our answer. Correct? So it is easy. First of all, we will take out the what data is provided to us. If we are sure about that, then formula we have already learnt. So इस formula पे put करते जाएंगे and then we will get the answer. So three things we have calculated here. One was R, one is K, and one is lambda m. Okay. Thank you.